Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. What I have today is just a Cyber Monday deal, so kind of like Black Friday. I'm just going to go through and show you guys some good deals that I found. Not really in a particular order, just like I said, I just kind of shopped around and was like, oh, that looks neat, and added it. So yeah, let's get into it. So to first get started, we got the FLASHFORGE 85X. Really good multicoloring. It has a smaller print bed size, but you know, that's alright. I mean, nothing too crazy, but it's just really good. I've only heard good reviews about it, and for it to be under $350 for multicolor, you know, that's just a good deal. The Fire Stick. If you don't have a smart TV or, you know, a smart, smart TV, just plug this in and you can have that. This also works for like monitors too, which is pretty cool. Yeah, you can just plug this in and you get all the smart TV functionality from it. But yeah, I thought this was pretty cool, and it's 20 bucks, so you know, just a good deal in general. This is a JBL Go 4. It's a smaller speaker, but it's just really good. It's a little Bluetooth speaker. Here it is. As you can see, it's very small. I mean, they measure it in centimeters, so you know it's gonna be small when they do that. But yeah, Govee smart lights. That's kind of what I'm using up above. Sorry, I just kind of pointed up. But no, yeah, that's just what I use. They're really easy to control. I really like them, and for 23 bucks you get 4 of them. So that's a good deal. See here's a good picture of it. You can do all kind of colors, things like that. They have like different scenes. They're really cool. This is the Logitech 305. So it's a gaming mouse, a really good one, and a pretty, I would say, a well-known one too. It's by a well-known brand, and it's a good, cheap gaming mouse. The 12K sensor, 12,000 DPI, 6 programmable buttons, but the main thing is the battery life. They claim 250 hours. So you know, I mean, all you gotta do, I don't think it's chargeable. I think you just put it in a battery and it's set. But yeah. So this is the SMALLRIG clamp. This is what I actually use to film like all my unboxing stuff on my videos. If you've seen one of those, it's kind of neat. I mean, it just like bends every direction that you want it to. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So this is a neat keyboard that I thought was just look cool, to be honest with you. And it's by that Womier, so I know it's a well-known brand. 75%. It has a little OLED screen, which is kind of cool. And it is hot swappable. But I just thought it was neat that it kind of has that retro design. I just really like it. Monitors. The monitors are really good. They're on sale, like a lot of them are. This was one that I found that was pretty good. It's 1440p, 180 Hz, and it's under $200 with a 3-year warranty. And it's by ASUS, so to me this is like one of the best monitors to get because it's good for the price by a well-known brand, and you don't have to worry about anything because you have that 3-year warranty. Chargers. You know, everyone needs a good charger. No matter, you know, what device you use or things like that. This is really neat because it shows your wattage. As you can kind of see, it shows how much you're charging on the screen right here. Yeah, you got, and it even comes with a USB-C cord. It works with, I mean, you know, everything from MacBook, Samsung. Pretty much it can charge whatever. This is another charger, but it's just cheaper. And it comes with 2 of them, so there's 2 chargers, 20-watt chargers, made for more of phones. Phones, not really like a laptop or anything. It doesn't put out enough power, but for 11 bucks, there's also different colors too. I think the black color is the cheapest, but the green and purple are like $2 more. So if you really want it, I mean, you know, you can get that, but yeah, it just comes with USB-C and a USB-A port 2 USB-C cords, so I think that's a solid pickup. These I've heard good things from. I personally don't have these, but I've just heard really good things. They're the Edifier M60s. Normally 200, now down to 150. So yeah, these are just good for your desktop, just to hear, you know, whatever you want to play through them. But as you can tell, they're kind of, here, this is a better picture. They're not too big, but they're a pretty big speaker though, relatively, for like a desk. I was trying to see, like, oh, here we go. So they got aux, USB-C, and Bluetooth connection. So, you know, you can connect a ton of devices to this. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have. This is kind of neat. So this is the 2 terabyte Professional Go. It's for mainly the newer iPhones that use USB-C stuff. So as you can see, you get 2 terabytes, so you can film. Then as he's using it, you can also plug in your mic, and it's super tiny, like it doesn't take up any room at all. But this thing just came out, and it's already on sale for over like $100 off, which is pretty cool. So I just thought I should mention that because it's pretty neat. Actually, I said it just come out. They say compatible with the iPhone 15, so maybe it's been out for a while. I'm just learning about it, so don't quote me on when this thing came out. But it is really good, and it's fairly fast, and I've only heard good things about it. This is a huge monitor. It's a 40-inch monitor, 1440p, 144 hertz for 360. I just thought this was neat because it's by a good brand. I don't really know how to say it, but trust me, it's a good brand. They're pretty well known. As you can tell, 4.1 out of 1,000 reviews, so it's not bad. Just a big monitor, and it's at a good cost, especially for this size. It's under 400, but yeah, it's got HDR. Really not much to say about it other than it's just a good price, and you know, you can play games on it or whatever. So this is a cable organizer. I mean, you know, you have tons of cables, things like that. You got to keep up somewhere, pretty much. As you can see, they use flash drives, pins, all their cables. I'm trying to find too. Yeah, let me go back to this picture. You can see they do all kinds of like stuff. You can even have, I don't know why you would carry your Echo Dot or whatever they call it, but you can. So this is a pretty big carrying case. So if you're like going away on like a vacation or something like that, you're gonna be gone for, you know, a week longer, I would say bring this. But it's a big cable organizer, but I just thought it would be nice to just share because it's $13, so it's for a really good price. This is the Plaud Note AI voice recorder. I have heard a lot of good things about this. I mean, it's mainly for people that do have like a lot of phone calls or a lot of meetings and things like that. You can connect it to your phone. Pretty much it's just a AI powered voice recorder. I know some people don't like when they hear the term AI stuff, but it's pretty useful. What it does is it's all on the device. I believe it doesn't, I don't think it uses any kind of cloud thing, and it transcribes, makes notes, summarizes, all kinds of stuff just on the device itself, and you can access it through their app. Like I said, I really don't have I don't have this device, so I really can't say because I don't have a lot of meetings or anything. So here, this is what I was looking for. Sorry, I couldn't find this at first. So as you can see, it does a whole summary, and I mean, from what I've read is that it's pretty good. I mean, as you can tell, 4.5 out of 4,000 reviews, and it's on sale for $130. This is the tomtoc electronic organizer. It's $20. So this is a smaller carrying case for your cables. I like these because you know, they just help you stay organized and just know where your cables are. As you can tell though, this one's cool because you can fit a ton of stuff in here, and it doesn't look as bulky. So I mean, you know, they got 2 chargers, a mouse, like all kind of stuff that you would need, especially if you're going for like I said, like that less than a week period. This would be a good one to buy. And yeah, it's 20 bucks. This backpack, I put this one on, I forgot which Black Friday. I think it was the part 2 video, but if you haven't checked that out, go see that too, because I believe all the stuff from there is still on sale, or most of it. But it's the SwissGear. I have an older version of this backpack, and it doesn't look, I think it doesn't look too bulky or anything, but you can carry a ton of stuff in it. It is really durable. It's lasted me like years. Like I think I used it in high school, and it still, you know, looks good. But yeah, it's just a good price too for 60 bucks. These are the CMF Buds 2A. So they do have like the 3 and all of that, but these are for 20 bucks. And it's by a well-known brand that is just really good. It has the active noise canceling. So for 20 bucks, these can be like your travel earbuds, and you can take them, you know, wherever you're going. And you don't have to worry about losing an expensive pair of headphones or earbuds. These are the JLab Go. These are their sport version. So I put this on there because I got a couple comments about people that work out, and so I was like, oh, I'll throw this in there for those people that actually go outside and stuff. Has an app to customize sound and stuff and things like that. It has all this stuff that comes with it, but the main purpose is these are made for working out. So they are, you know, like sweat proof and things like that. Here, this is a better picture where you can see everything that you get. But yeah, I've heard good things about them. They have a 4 stars out of 25,000 reviews, so I would say that's, you know, really good. And yeah, they're also under 20 bucks. So this is kind of neat. This is a whole set for, you know, if you have the mouse pad, or it's a mouse pad with like different holders for things, and I just thought it was neat. Here's kind of, so you got your pen holder, cable organizer, business card holder. I mean, you got everything that you need, and it just looks very nice and very cool looking. So I just thought I'd mention that it's 30 bucks. This is the Divoom, or however you say it. I'm gonna say Divoom. Sorry if that's not how you pronounce it, but it's a light display, and it's just pretty cool. It's very niche and very non-essential, to be honest with you. It just looks cool. It has, like, as you can tell, pictures and things like that that you can show on it. It's just like it's kind of cool. It just has an app on it. It adds a little style to your room, you know. So this is something that I thought was cool. It's the I don't know how you say that brand. I was gonna try to pronounce it and I gave up. But anyway, it's a they say it is a 68 or 60% keyboard, but it's the Hall effect. And what that means is you can customize the actuation. So like when you press down a key, of how sensitive it is. And it's on sale for $35. So I thought that was, you know, kind of a steal, especially if you're, you know, you truly just game. You might like this kind of style of keyboards. It's a little smaller than others. But yeah, the main reason I put this on here was because of the fact that it's Hall effect, and it has good reviews too. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I think this is the only one that's on sale for like under 30. Well, there is a pink one, but you know, so depending on what color you like, you can do that. But this is just kind of like the basic black version, but like I said, it's the cheapest cost. So this is now another keyboard, the Keychron K2. Oh my gosh. It's the Hall effect rapid trigger, so kind of the same thing. I just thought this one's neat because it's a full aluminum and it has like real wood on the side. It looks very nice, and I've heard only good things about it and that it sounds good. But yeah, here's a better picture. So here's like your actuation points and things like that. But yeah, they also have the white version. It's same cost too, so that's pretty cool. And then this is another keyboard. I wanted to put a kind of some options of keyboards here because there's a ton of them too that are on sale. These were just the ones that kind of stood out to me. The GAMAKAY TK75. It's also a Hall effect. I'm a big fan of Hall effect. I got a Hall effect keyboard and highly recommend it to other people now because it's a, I wouldn't want to say a lot better, but especially if you game. I'm not a competitive gamer, but I like to think so, I guess. But these are really good. So yeah, it just looks cool. It's under 50 bucks. This one has a bit more keys to it, so it's the 75%. So you get like your function row and the arrows and things like that. This is my favorite kind of keyboard layout. It was 75 to 80%. But yeah, that's actually really all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to get on here, share some deals, things like that. Hopefully I kind of got a mix for everyone. Like I said, I didn't really organize this. I found that when I tried to organize, I had like only 4 actual items, but just like 5 different variations of it. So hopefully you guys kind of like this. Like I said, it's Cyber Monday, so there are deals for a couple more hours. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below, what your favorite item was, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.